Let's race. Come here.
Do it again.
I'm a girl. Can you do
That's not
that?
what you're doing. Record. I'm recording. Do it again.
It is.
Do it again.
Yeah, he
Do
modded.
what you're doing. No, you're not.
He modded. He modded.
Run.
Even though
it
is. It's
Oh,
double
yeah.
hand trap. It's
Oh
double
yeah,
hand
sending
trap.
that shit to Discord right now.
Go ahead. Double hand
We'll
trap.
probably cook for a month at least.
How are you doing?
At least a month.
Okay.
I gotta know that.
You know how to do
Never
double
mind
hand
3 weeks.
track?
Not a month. Never mind 3 weeks.
I don't know how to do
Bro,
that. you a girl boy.
You put your hand behind your back and you like
Are you
swing
a
it
girl
like
boy?
this until it goes out of tracking,
Okay.
and then
You're
you
a
just
girl?
do the same
What
thing with your
quest do
other
you
hand.
have?
Oh.
Quest 3, yes.
You're a girl?
And then you do it with your other hand until you get it.
Me too.
You
Me
should have
too. Me
like
too.
fish arms, and then you just do it in sync. with
So
the other
quest
hand.
2 is way better.
That's just the way. Hallelujah.
Just do it.
Bro, I'm getting
Oh,
great.
you got him.
Oh,
GG's,
Fama just got tagged.
I knew I was gonna get
It's called glitchy building.
Tag me right now. Tag me right now. I'll give you $5,000 if you tag me right now.
Got tagged.
That was the
Oh,
I don't. I have to crack.
they got tagged.
Beautiful night right now. Beautiful life right now. I'm a burp in your ear, lava monkey. Your poor eardrums. Come here. Yay!
Kind of crazy,
Ah!
yeah.
Kind
of crazy, huh? Yo, you
Beautiful
good?
night right now.
You good?
Beautiful life right now.
You good? You good? You
I'm
okay?
good. Yeah, I'm good.
Need help?
Hey, guess what, guys?
Think you need help. Go to a mental health.
Guys, guess
hospital.
what? Mr. Run. Guess what? Ah!
Something wrong?
Yo, y'all just got guess
Oh
what?
my gosh.
I
dang it.
Yo, I got the full
Over.
3D combo. Black fat ass. I'm gonna show you something. Guess what? Guess what? No.
Nah, that's crazy.
Wait, are you a girl? I'm a girl. Nah. I mean, you are transgender right here. I'm a girl. No, you cannot get my snap because I'm a
It's
girl.
inside
You
the
want to see it
game.
again? You want another video?
But it's not part of the game. It's still glitchy building.
No,
So
I'm
get banned.
kidding. I'm kidding.
Do you want another video?
Come on.
I'm actually a girl.
Slow.
Oh
my God,
God,
Jesus
Christ.
Nah.
Tagged. Oh.
Hold on, gang. Ah! How do you eat rocks with chopsticks? A guy said that in one of my servers.
Oh, he's
Beautiful
coming.
night right now.
Juke. Ooh, bud. Juke. Ooh. Over. Under. Over. Ooh.
Hey, I'm a girl, so you should shut up.
Juke. Ooh.
I don't even have to juke
What are you
him off,
doing?
bro. He did it for
Are
me.
you cheering that the baseball team won?
You play baseball?
Bro, my orb.
No, my sisters do. But you don't. What's a lava monkey? Go. Come on. Oh, hell no, man.
Damn, you're buns, Luffy hat. You're buns.
Oh,
You're buns.
Bro,
My
my hand went through his body, bro. When you won me in a
Not my
code.
friend, not my friend, not my friend.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I'm buns. Stop aiming for my
The fact that he says that he... Yo, do you guys want you right now?
He's not top one. I was in the lobby with top one earlier. He's not.
I'm gonna survive.
Hey, if you can tag me, I'll 1v1
I'm
you.
gonna cuss on you.
I'm gonna survive.
Dumbass.
I wasn't even trying and I tagged you.
Get over here. Here, let me tag my friend, not you.
Yo,
Oh my
Crown
god.
Connor, would you be proud if I retired?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh, you broke
Let
my
me
ankle.
mute this real quick.
I'm gonna hop off,
What'd you
bro,
say?
'cause I wanna fuck Steve.
Hey guys.
Would you be
servers are
proud
back
if
up.
I retired?
No.
Damn, son, you
Hey,
just
let me
quit like
friend you.
that?
Hey, let me friend you. Get him!
Yeah.
Eat my
Juke.
butthole, buddy.
Okay, so
Okay, what's
So
your
your
user?
buns.
So
Yeah,
you
you
got
get
you.
to abuse the
What's your
entire
user?
time. Like, actually, your buns.
okay,
Go
so
on,
he
join
tagged you, and I can't tag you, cause like my hand
Shade
went through
official?
your body, and I'm like,
Alright, yes.
you didn't even get tagged
Okay,
when
I'll
my
join
hand
in.
went through your body. Like,
I will.
come
Bro, my thumb
on.
is stuck like this forever.
Like, bro, I
You
swear
You
this
wanna
game
watch
hates
the
me.
1v1?
How do I
You
run
wanna
My
watch
thumb is
the
stuck
1v1?
down. Stuck to go.
Where'd you come from? Where did you just come from? Like, you just ground camp.
Yo,
It's tracking glitch. Oh my god, how are you again?
Ooh, it's
Oh, he leave. Add me back. Add me.
not the burp. I had a burp. What? Hey, guess what? Mickey?
What? Shut the fuck up, you fucking disgusting ass nigger.
Hey, shut up! 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 You should shut up!
You
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
three-year-old
Shut up!
baby.
Shut up! Yeah, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Bro, you sound like a
3-year-old
monkey.
baby, not gonna lie.
I do. Duke, a juke.
You ain't juking no one, bro.
Oh, oh, my nose, my nose. My nose is wet.
Holy bro.
Hold up.
How the hell?
I'm a bird. I can fly.
You cannot fly. Rest in peace, my granny.
Beautiful, beautiful life right now. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. No. Nope.
Got him.
Okay,
Let's
yeah,
go.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, this guy acts like he's a lava
Whoa.
monkey, bro. You see him? Gang, is that the only thing you do? Okay. Next victim.
No, he said something even worse. I know. Let me do something.
He said the N word.
Huh?
Oh wait, there. Oh my God.
Greg
Why
kid.
am I
Yeah, I
opening
bet
Who
this
said
guy
that?
Greg
I'm
would
Asian.
No, the
What
great
the hell
kid's
did I
the
do?
only.
Who
He
said
just
that?
thinks
I'm
that he's,
Asian.
Yeah, I know you
the
said
N
the
word
N-word,
is
cuzzo.
so
I
That's what you
literally never said anything, bro. What are you
Yes,
talking
you
about?
did, bro. Literally,
When?
you said
Tell
that.
me when. The exact
There's
minute. The
multiple-
exact
no, there's
millisecond. The
multiple-
You
exact
said it
atom.
like-
My
Well,
mouth
yo,
will
for
like
real.
it.
Swear to
You
God,
literally
this
said
kid's
it like
autistic.
3 minutes ago, bro, or 2
For
minutes
real.
ago.
Bro,
Hey,
no,
don't be like that.
Yeah.
Hey, Gigi.
Or yo, hold on.
Okay.
Oh my
What
god.
do you mean?
Oh, here, come here. Follow me. Follow me.
No, no, she just say mama.
Oh my god, we gotta run. Ah, I just fell down. Okay. We're gonna stay on this side. While we see everyone get tagged.
Oh wait, where's that hole? I seen this hole like here somewhere.
The hole? Over
Oh,
there?
the hole right there. The hole right in there.
That one?
That giant hole right there. Yeah.
Yeah,
I've
I
always
know.
been wanting to get. I've always been wanting to get up there. But it's
Me too. Guys, there's lava monkeys coming near us.
Hey, look.
What are y'all doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? What? Playing this? Me too. But tomorrow I'm kind of going to the zoo. Okay, follow me. You know how to climb up this wall? That? Here. So watch me climb it. Stay here. Watch me climb it. Ready? Yeah, I might not get this first try because I'm bad at climbing this wall. Little. Okay, yeah, I got down first try. So that's it. You just have to like curve up here so you'll get up. And then the more you curl like yourself up, you'll get up. Yeah. Here, watch him do it. Yeah, see, he can spam because he's moving his hands fast. So just climb with 2 hands or 1 hand if you want. And keep curving.
Oh,
Yep,
2
it's
hands
your
is
turn.
easier. Learn
hands,
how to do 2
is
hands.
easier.
I messed up. I
Oh,
messed
guys,
up learning
lava
1 hand.
monkeys, lava monkeys, lava monkeys.
Get up here. Hey, come on, you gotta get up.
He was
You
like
gotta
this.
get up.
Hurry up.
No, he was so
You better get good.
And I was like this. And I was
Where
like
is
this,
he?
bro.
Yes, come
Hurry, come here.
on. Run!
No.
Up here, up here.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! I'm just gonna get tagged automatically because I'm so bad at this game. I'm so bad at this game! Oh my god. Get run! Grab him! Oh!
Dang,
No!
what you got your whole cosmetics on? Jesus Christ.
I bet. Let's get this kid. Let's get this
No!
boy.
Rocket! Ground campers!
Man,
Ground
y'all,
campers.
man,
Ah,
y'all,
nobody
man,
was
y'all
ground
piranhas
camping
trying to
you.
feast
Skid
this
a
He's
shoe.
low-key
Slow.
up by your trash, bro.
Hey, the last one.
Watch me be a fit.
Y'all some piranhas trying to
J1.
tag this kid, bro. Y'all some piranhas.
J1? 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 You do not wanna know how I sound like when I burp like that in real life. Hey, purple. It's Grimace! Happy birthday. Wait, how does this go? Happy birthday to Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace.
I tagged him.
If you wanna look.
Oh!
Whoa!
My God. Watch me be the first one tagged, bro. That's how ass I am.
Bro,
that's
first
how
second,
ass I am.
first second, he tried to tag me, bro. First second, he messed
Bro,
up.
he's over there. He's
Bro,
over there. He's over there.
Bro, come on.
Oh shit, he's coming. He's coming.
Yeah,
He's getting mad.
He's about to leave it.
Oh,
He got a little bit mad.
First part of the round.
No, bro, he was about to leave.
Yo, I'm gonna have to
it
burp right now.
there.
Oh yeah, that was on purpose. Sorry, that was on purpose because I had to burp really bad.
Whoever did that burp, it was damn good. Alright. See you.
Like this. Did you see me get chased by that whole gang of lava monkeys? I'd be dead by now if I was in that pile.
I literally missed. I didn't chase you.
Yeah.
I know.
Hey, you said a burp will. Hey, guy with the paint bucket on his head. You said if you burp like that, it'll be good.
What? Yo, behind us, behind you.
Get away from my friend. Get away from my friend. Yay! Oh! No way!
Fuck up, bro. I literally tagged her. Wait. Wait, please, Speed, let me tag
Go in
you.
our area! Ah! Oh, good job, girl. Yeah. Mm. I think I see someone tag. Oh no, yeah, they're tagged. If you hear me say J1 like really loud, that means an insane thing is gonna happen. Like if I'm almost about to tag someone, I scream J1. I can scream J1 if I want.
Lol.
Ow,
I'm gonna get you.
my thumb.
I'm gonna get your bucket. Since
I want to
You
spray
could have a
bottle, spray
bucket on my head?
Hey.
Are you bucket racist? That's crazy.
Hey,
Bro, y'all
I
were
have
like,
cans of beans
y'all
on
were
my
like-
hand. Or is it soda pop?
don't even see you. I don't even know where you are.
Hi. Hey, did you? Frick you! Who's Andrew? Did you see my headset flip off?
What?
Did you see my headset flip off?
Hmm.
It flipped off. Well, I mean, it fell off because it was too loose, but I tried to.
I'm gonna try to be the last one. Look, I'm on this thing. Nope.
You're hiding in a bush because you're so red. Just kidding. Watch this. Wait, watch me run, and then I'll fall.
Come here. Look.
Wait, Alexandra. Watch me. Wait, stay there. Watch me.
Did you just lose your freaking headset?
Damn who?
Oh, that one's flying. That one's flying like a bird.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna die of being so real.
Great.
I don't know what's going on now.
What the heck even happened?
You'd be like as a mom.
Yo,
So fast.
what the heck just happened? Bro.
My thing came out.
Oh god, yeah, come on. Oh my god, they're gonna chase! We got a hot crustacean then. No, I'm not. First. I don't need reminders of how. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. That when I talk to you. Behind you. My gosh, running. Oh, come on. Just stay behind me. Stay behind me. Stay behind me. I'll just check in if there's any lava monkeys. Oh, there's a lava monkey. Person. I know you're gonna ground. I know you're gonna ground camp.
Oh, you can attack the other person. Not us.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. There's someone behind you right there.
He's already getting jumped by two people. Might as well join him.
Bro, every time I look. Yo, bro's approaching me closely. See? I can see you moving, bro. You're not lagging. Exactly what I said.
We're about to get jumped.
Yay! I'm still looking. Newbie, you're a noob. You're faking to be lagging. You're faking to be lagging. You're lagging, but it's fake. You're acting like you're lagging, but it's fake, dude.
I haven't got attacked for a whole entire year.
Yeah, well, if you don't call people noobs, then
I'm gonna get out of here.
they'll let them tag you. But you're calling me a noob, so I won't let you tag me.
Chill, bro. Ayo, chill.
Who is this?
This guy is free.
I
Why is
tagged
this guy
one of
running
your
like that? One
friends.
person.
I tagged one of your friends. I tagged one of his friends. They're all I tagged the whole entire.
Exactly. Hey, by the way, I have to go because I'm going to the zoo tomorrow. I promise I'll get on right when I come back from the zoo, okay? I'll pinky promise. Yeah, I have to go, but bye bye. I pinky promise you. Just, I don't know a code actually. Just 998 9. Wait, how much? What's the limit? Okay, 998. Just throw 2 nines and 1 8. Okay. Yes. Okay. Bye.
Man, crown me.
Mm, mm.
My air mattress.
I suck.
What potatoes are called potatoes?
Holy shit, bro.
Talk about what, little bro?
Can someone put you in?
This guy can tag me right here.
Yo, you know there's a...